How's it going, guys? Sean here with the fifth video out of the Greatness series. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we're just going on and expanding and going deeper into greatness and how you can get it, how you can achieve it through passion, through purpose, through actually going after it, through getting over the I don't feel like it's syndrome. And ultimately, we lead on to the next episode today. And we're talking about getting rid of the negative people in your life. So, I don't know if you know this, but most people, there's a lot of people who speak negative, who most of their terms, most of their language, their physiology, the way they just bring themselves into everyday life is with a negative attitude. Down is the way they always look. And this is contagious. It's very contagious. It's very easy for people like you and I to fall into this trap of negativity. Now, you don't think it plays that important of a role in your life just because you're not conscious of it. So with this video, it is to awaken your consciousness of negativity in your life. Think about the words you speak to yourself. Think about the people you hang out with, and think about the energy and the physiology you bring to every single situation. So are you the type of person who wakes up in the morning and the first thing they say is, oh, this day is gonna suck? Or, gosh, I'm so pissed off about yesterday, or I'm not excited about the future, and you speak these negative words into your mind. Consciously, it is ruining you. Subconsciously, it's building this wall inside you that just says negativity is how my life is driven to the next level. And this is not what we want. What we want is to wake up with passion, wake up with energy, wake up with vibrance through the words we speak, telling ourselves, I don't care how I feel, I'm gonna push forward and go for it every single day. I'm excited about life. I love what I do. I love myself. I love the people I hang out with. I love everything I do. And it is giving value back to other people, and it's helping out my friends, my family, my coworkers. And you speak this language, and you come with the physiology, and you come with the focus that you're here to serve, here to make a difference through your passion that leads to greatness. But this is kind of going off topic. What we're talking about also is how to get the negative people out of your life. Now, the best advice I can give you is you just do not spend time with them. You consciously become aware of the people who speak this negativity in your life. People who tell you, oh, you can't do that, get away from them. People who say, today sucks, get away from them. And if they're your close friends, spend the least amount of time with them when they're negative, and when they're positive, you try to uplift them and anchor that state. Another principle we'll talk about in a different video, which is completely different from greatness. You have to anchor these states with people you care about. If someone you care about a lot is negative, what you need to do is you have to get them out of that as quick as possible. First thing is to anchor your own self. And what I mean by anchor is when you put yourself in this peak state of excitement, of passion, of vibrance, of positivity, you anchor yourself with an actual physical anchor. It could be a mental anchor, but physical anchors are great because you can do it. So for example, I put myself in a peak state, put my shoulders back, get my voice out there with passion and excitement, and I focus on exactly what I want, like these videos, and I anchor myself with like a unique touch, like I pull my ear and click or something. And when you do this long enough, when I pull my ear and click, when I'm in a peak state right now, I will anchor that state. And when I get down into the negative states, what I do is I pull my ear and click and anchor that state back into the positive state, the uplifting state, the motivating state. Hopefully this makes sense to you. I can go deeper in a different video. But once you learn how to do that yourself, you do this for other people too. When people say, oh, this day sucks, you come around, you slap them, you do something, you interrupt their pattern, and you get them to make a difference, be like, no, tell yourself the day is gonna be amazing. Get them in the state they need to get in when they're excited, when they're happy, when they're passionate. You anchor it through something physical, like a slap in the face if it needs to be. Maybe not that crazy. But that's if you actually like the person and you care about them, and you want to help them out. But the main topic of the video is getting you to realize that these negative people in your life that now you are conscious and aware of need to just get out. You just need to get away from them. You need to completely cut yourself from them, because 100% of the time they're going to hold you back, and 100% of the time, or not 100% of the time, but most of the time, they will find a way to pull you down, and you won't be able to pull them up unless you care about them enough. But if it's especially a group of people, 3 versus 1, they'll find a way to pull you down eventually. So don't test it and be like, oh, I'm gonna get around 3 people and see if they can pull me down. Just don't even try. Just get away from them completely. But listen to me now. Listen to me and understand that part of success, finding your passion and fueling that greatness, is to stay in the most peak positive state possible. Peak positive state possible. And that is by getting away from the people who are the naysayers, the people who are going to hold you back, the people who are negative about every aspect of their life. And if you care about it enough, you can help change them through anchoring them in positive states. And like I said, I'll go deeper in another video on how to actually anchor it. I gave you a little bit of it, but I'm going crazy in this video and I'm speaking fast. Hopefully you understand what I'm talking about, and I'm trying to just give as much value. So that is the message, guys. I hopefully you enjoyed it. If it made a difference in your life, I did my job, and that's what matters. So take this video, learn from it, apply it in your life, and you will get that greatness eventually down the road. It doesn't come overnight, but it comes with practice, patience, hard work, and going after your passion. Thank you for listening. Catch you in the next video.